In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Google Forms. We'll begin in your browser. Head to Google Forms, and if you're asked to sign in, use your Google account so your progress is saved. On the home page, click Blank Form. This opens a clean canvas where we'll set up the order form from scratch. Right away, you may see a Gemini prompt appear. This is Google's AI helper built into Forms, and it can quickly draft a form based on a short description. In the prompt box, type something like "Make a simple order form." To steer the result, add a brief list of what you need collected. Think customer name, email, product selection, quantity, and delivery address. If your orders require options like size or color, include those in the description as well. Keep your wording clear and direct. The better the description, the better the draft you'll get. When your prompt looks right, click Create. Gemini will generate a preview with suggested questions and formats. Take a moment to read through what it proposes. If it covers the essentials, click Create Form. That adds the generated questions into the standard Google Forms editor, where you can fine-tune everything. From here, edit any question you like. Click a question title to rename it, add helpful descriptions to clarify what you expect, or switch the question type to suit the data. Short answer works well for names and addresses, multiple choice or drop-down helps standardize product names, and checkboxes can allow multiple add-ons. Use the required toggle on must-have fields, like contact details and product selection, so you don't miss critical information. For quantities, choose short answer, and add response validation so only numbers are accepted. This prevents typos that could affect fulfillment. You can duplicate questions to reuse formatting, delete anything that's not relevant, and drag questions into a logical order. Start with contact info, move to product choices and quantities, and finish with delivery notes, or special instructions. At the very top, rename the form so it clearly identifies your business or the collection it's for, and add a brief description that explains how orders are processed or typical turnaround times. Clear labels and concise instructions reduce confusion and make it faster for customers to complete the form. That's it! You've created a clean, functional order form in Google Forms, starting with Gemini to draft it, and finishing with your own edits to make it accurate and easy to use.